Winter has arrived. Everyone puts on winter clothes. The snow outside is so beautiful. Do you need to wear winter clothes and go outdoors too? Experience the fun of snowy days. Do you need to wear winter clothes and go outdoors too? Experience the fun of snowy days. Let's go out and play together, my friends. Can you feel this kind of snowy scene every year? Is the happy boy in the video very cute? Let's use the Goofoo Cube Desktop Children's 3D printer to print a small doll today. This product offers 5 colors to choose from. Wi-Fi printing, 1-key operation, massive cloud print down rate. Spinning buckling assembly in seconds. No any screws needed anymore. Easy to operate, safe and reliable. Friendly usage, people without a background in 3D printing technology can use it without difficulty. Easy to operate, safe and reliable. Printing completed. We currently launch a children's educational set, 3D printer 3D pen gift box.